It's been a 3-decade pursuit for justice, and one that is still ongoing.
I've been exonerated, I've been vindicated, and I've been violated. And the state of Queensland refuses to acknowledge their role in this.
Terry Irving was wrongly convicted of an armed bank robbery in Cairns in 1993. The Indigenous man was acquitted by the High Court after 4.5 years in prison, and the charges against him later dropped entirely. Mr Irving sued the state government and the investigating police officer. In 2021, the Court of Appeal found the police officer acted maliciously when she held him on charges of accessory to armed robbery with the intent of obtaining evidence to slap him with the more severe charge. Today, lawyers argued how much he should receive in compensation from his malicious prosecution.
31 years since I was incarcerated for something I never done. It's taken this long to be vindicated for that.
His barrister said Mr Irving's time in the watch house has had a catastrophic impact on his life. There was a lot of violence amongst the prisoners. There was nowhere to sleep. He slept on a plastic mattress on the floor. But the defendant's lawyers submitted he was only held on the accessory charges for 7 days. What Mr Irving wants more than money, more than anything, is an apology and acknowledgement from the state government for what he's been through. His barrister told the court there's been a complete lack of remorse from either of the defendants. Attorney General Yvette Darth refused to comment on the matter as the case was still before the courts.
No amount of money can make up for the pain, the suffering, the lack of compassion.
Now, the wait for the judge's decision. But Mr Irving says he prays and hopes
it stops with me.
Laura Lavelle, ABC News, Brisbane.